What is up, everyone? I post every single trade that I take regardless if it's a win or loss, and today on January the 28th I traded Intel. Now, for Intel, just like every single stock that I decide to take, you always have to make sure you understand the overall schematic of how a trade is actually moving. Now, if you take a look at Intel's chart at the very bottom, you can actually see here that Intel has been having a pretty huge gap run up that was established on January the 16th. It gapped up from $19.90 all the way up to around the $21 range, but this little gap is pretty much an area where low volume activity was established on the pre-market or post-market high. This is an area of importance because if you do track the pre-market and post-market price, you'll understand that when we track volume, these areas that are marked in light blue or brown are pretty much low volume activity areas. So we know that there's not really a lot of overall value or pretty much orders holding up these gaps. So we know they could rather fill in quickly. Now, if we take a look at the daily chart, you can see here that we've actually sold off pretty hard from the past couple days, which was Monday the 27th. And I was expecting that we would get a gap fill from that 2012 range all the way down to at least 1995. So that was the main thing we're looking at when we're looking at schematic price. Now, when you take a look at my Discord, I told everyone, hey, I'm really interested in taking Intel potential puts. And the reasoning was because of that schematic movement for the overall trade. Now, if you take a look at Intel on the 5-minute chart, one thing I always want to take a look for is making sure that we are not trading in a range day, because when you trade in a range, you're pretty much trading in a choppy area. I need a full break of direction. And one way I could tell that is if I actually look at the previous day low, which was marked at $20.14. I'm going to mark that over here. And on top of that, the pre-market low, which was established at around $20.40. Now, I need a clear indication on the 5-minute chart that shows that those two patterns are fulfilling. And on top of that, the actual third confirmation with the schematic movement of the overall chart. The first 5 minutes, we actually broke through that $20.13 mark, signaling my entrance. Now, in the Discord, I told everyone I'm going to be entering into Intel 20 puts expiring on 1/31. I filled into these contracts at 85 cents per contract. Now, keep in mind, these contracts are relatively cheap, so you could purchase multiple to try to get your money up. Now, looking at the overall chart, you can see that Intel Corporation actually sold off very hard the first 5 minutes, allowing me to go ahead and try to trim my first initial act. I did a half trim in the Discord telling everyone I'm going to trim at $95 a contract, which is about 11.7% gain. It may not seem like much, but these little small base hits within the first 5 minutes of market open can really mean a lot in your long-term portfolio value. I held the trade a little bit too long. I could have trimmed this at around $97 per contract. I wanted to see if this little bearish consolidation could actually break through. Didn't actually happen. As soon as I saw this reverse course, I said, you know what? I'm not going to risk any more of my profits. I'm going to close down the rest of my contracts. Now, if you are interested in seeing more of my analysis for trades like this, do me a favor, shoot me a follow, and we could go on into the next day.